Companies are overwhelmed with data, drowning in documents, missing critical insights, and wasting time on manual work. What if there's a better way? Tungsten TotalAgility's AI-powered automation reads, routes, and reasons, working alongside your team to unleash human potential and make faster, smarter decisions. It starts with your documents. TotalAgility captures from across your organization, like emails, contracts, and customer queries, and turns it into actionable insights. Need an answer? Just ask. TotalAgility uncovers insights hidden in complex, unstructured content, helping your teams and AI agents make better decisions. Those decisions power workflows and drive impactful outcomes for your business. Time to act? TotalAgility keeps work moving with AI agents that coordinate people and processes across the organization, freeing teams to focus on what really matters. And with built-in AI copilots and a no-code interface, anyone can design new agents and workflows without waiting on developers. Get started today with no need to rip and replace. TotalAgility works with your existing tech stack, so you can build on what you have. With over 40 years in business, Tungsten is trusted by over 25,000 global enterprises, recognized by top analysts, and validated by partners. Clarity for every decision and speed for every process. Tungsten TotalAgility.